It's time. It's time. This sucker, it's all done. I got the shift linkage unhooked. I got the little tiny fucking, I never know what this thing's called. I got this collar and that bitch pin out. I don't know what the real name of it is, but yeah, out. Honestly, it wasn't that hard. It was like 2 hits and it was out. But yeah, listen, it's ready to go. I did it! I fucking did it! Can you guys believe it? Me. Pulled my motor. Look at that. Guys, I fucking did it! I fucking did it! Motor is out. It's out of the fucking car. I did it. It's fucking out. I can't believe it. Crazy. That's it. Now the fun stuff begins.